In this video, I will show you how to make a joining application for the Civil Protection Clan. Without wasting any time, let's head over to the BTTDM community forums. My internet is a bit slower, so now click on that forum URL. Scroll down and find BTTDM Zombie Survival Board and click on that. Click on the very first board called Zombie Survival Clans. You can find Civil Protection Clan in the Zombie Survival Official Clans. Click on it. You have now made it to the clan's official board. Now scroll down and find Role and Requirements, and open that topic in a new tab. Read all the rules and requirements carefully in order to make your place within the clan members. At very first, you need to have at least 30 hours of playtime in the server, and 500 score to be able to make an application. Now, click on the Civil Protection Applications board. Scroll down and click on that application format topic and open it in a new tab. Scroll down and find the application code. Here we go. Click on it and copy all of this matter. Get back and click on the new topic button. It'll create a new topic. Write your subject. For example, I will write my civil protection application. Click on the description board and paste all of the code. Now, here comes the most important part, forming up an application which will get you entry into the clan. The code is asking your real name, which is optional, so if you are concerned about your privacy and do not want to share your name, just leave it blank. I will write a name, for example. Now put your age. Now gender. Your nationality, for example, let's suppose I am American. My country, America. The languages I can speak are English, Hindi and Urdu. The code is asking us to write something about myself in about 50 to 100 words. So, take your time and form a nice and short paragraph that'll mostly decide the votes. Let me write something about myself, for example. Now, it is asking us about our game information. Let's write our in-game name, our score, which are kills. Now, it is asking our previous names. Do not hesitate to write all your previous names, because hiding them will result in an against vote. Name if we get accepted. Our VIP, helper, and admin level. For example, I am level 4 VIP and a former level 5 administrator. How long have you been playing ZS? Have you even been in any other clan? Write their names. These two questions are a bit harder to reply and are important at the same time, so do not hesitate to tell the truth. Now, upload a picture of you in game stats. Let me show where you can find it. Open your mic computer. Go to Documents. Click on GTA San Andreas user files. Click on SAMP. Click on Screens. Scroll down to the end to find the latest taken screenshots. Now, if you don't know how to take screenshot, it is very simple. Click F8 button, and it'll grab a screenshot of your game. Click on the image which contains your stats. Go to any free image hosting service like hostimage.org. Now click on this Choose Image button and locate your image. Click Open and it'll instantly upload it. It is uploaded, and now click on this direct link copy button, and it will copy the link to your stats. Go to your topic and post it there. Here are some clan questions. With stats, why do you want to be in the civil protection team? Write the reason which made you to join the clan. Be honest and don't be pathetic. This question stats, how can you improve civil protection clan? Write down all the ways in which you can improve the civil protection clan. This question says, how much time do you play daily on the server? Write down the hours you play on the server. This question says, were you invited by any of the CP members? Write their names if anyone has invited you. Now, some yes or no questions, just answer them as I do. Another important thing, do not copy this application and make your own in your own words. Plagiarism will only result in a temporary ban for the clan. Now, if your English is weak and you can't understand some of these questions, just copy them and head over to Google Translate. Paste it and select your native language and understand what that question says. But do not write the answer in your language and then paste it in the answers, because you can't post translated application, even if your English is weak, because Google translated sentences are easy to distinguish, and if you caught using them, you'll be rejected. Just translate the questions to understand their meaning and then answer them in your own words. Once you have answered all the questions, hit that small preview button to preview your application for errors. If it's clean, hit that post button, and you are all done.